are going to discuss about the adjectives used with countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, both countable and uncountable nouns use adjectives before them. Okay, here adjective in the sense it is nothing but a describing word. Describing word in the sense it going to describe a noun. The word which describes a noun, then we call it as a describing word. Okay, for example, this is a board, right? This board is black in color, so we call it as a blackboard. In the word blackboard, black is an adjective and board is a noun. So the word black describes the noun board. So here black is a adjective. Are you clear what is meant by adjective? Yes, adjective is a describing word. It is describes a noun. Okay. Here countable and uncountable nouns, adjectives we are going to discuss. First one, articles. Articles is not an adjective, but we have to use articles when we are using few and little. So that we have to learn about the usage of articles on countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. A and an is called as indefinite articles, that we know, as well as the is called as definite article. Here a and an, it denotes only one of something. It denotes only one of something. Okay. So it is used for only countable nouns. A and an is used for only countable nouns, and the is used for both countable and uncountable nouns. Are you clear? The article a and an, that is indefinite articles used for countable nouns and definite articles used for both countable and uncountable nouns. Okay? Are you clear now? Okay, coming over to our topic, that is the use of many and much. This is called as adjectives. Okay? Many and much. This is called as adjectives. Okay? Here, many is a more possibilities. Many refers more possibilities. And here, few refers less possibilities. Okay? Many refers more possibilities and much also refers more possibilities only. Okay? Many is used for countable noun and much is used for uncountable noun. Okay? For more possibilities, many is used for countable noun and more possibility much is used for uncountable noun. Okay? For example, let's have many notes, because note are a countable noun. So, notes. Many people, we can count the people. Many people. Many pens. Okay? On the other hand, much. Much money. Much money. Much sugar. Much affection, etc. Okay? Then the use of few and little. I already told you few is defines a less possibilities. Okay? If the sentence gives less possibilities, then it is a countable noun, means we have to use few. Okay? On the other hand, little. It is also defines a less possibilities. Okay? Less possibilities, and it is a uncountable, means we have to use little. Okay? Yes sir. The same example. For more possibilities we write notes, people, pens. The same. Few notes. If it is a less possibilities, mean few people. Few pens. For less possibility, we have to use a before. A few notes. A few people. A few pens. Okay, likewise, a little. A little money. A little money. A little sugar. A little sugar. A little affection. Otherwise, a little bit of affection, little bit of careness. Anything you can say. Okay. So, are you clear? Now we are going to do our exercise part. That is, we have to complete this sentence, or we are going to complete these sentences using many, much, little, few. Are you ready? Before that, we just clarified one thing. That is, many and much are more possibilities word. Many and much are more possibilities word. Okay? More possibilities adjective. Little and few are less possibilities adjective. Okay? Here, many is a used for countable noun. Many is used as C. C denotes countable. Okay? Many is used for countable noun. Much is used for uncountable noun. Little is used for uncountable noun. Few is used for countable noun. Okay? Before we going to fill these blanks, we have to identify the noun. We have to identify the noun first. Then we have to clarify whether the noun is a countable or uncountable noun. Then the situation, that is, the noun has a less possibilities or more possibilities. Okay? First, read the sentence. Dash people came to see the exhibition. Dash people came to see the exhibition. Here the noun is people. Here the noun is people and exhibition. Okay? Dash people came to see the exhibition. Okay? Exhibition is a keyword for this sentence. Exhibition is a most visited area only. So, for exhibition, few people are gone or less people are gone. It has a more possibilities. So, many people. Many people. Few people are visited or many people are visited. In the sense, it gives a more possibilities. So, many people. If suppose they given only dash people, only dash people, in the sense only is a word, it refers less possibilities. Only is a word, it refers less possibilities. Okay? So they didn't give only, so that only we use many. Okay? Many people came to see the exhibition. How means people is a noun, people is a countable noun and more possibilities. Countable noun with more possibility is many. Are you clear? Then the second one. How dash patience do you think I have? How dash patience do you think I have? In this sentence, patience. In this sentence, patience is a noun. Patience is a noun, and this noun is a, here people is a countable noun. Okay? Here uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Likewise, we don't have any words that describe the less possibility. Okay? So, this is a more possibility. Okay? Uncountable noun and more possibility. Look here. Uncountable noun, more possibility. Much. What we have? Much. Shall we do? How much? Sorry. This is not. How much patience do you think I have? Okay? Third one, with dash planning, you can achieve your goal. Okay? Here, planning is the noun. Planning is a noun and planning is a uncountable noun. Okay? Planning is a uncountable noun and less possibility. Okay? Uncountable noun, less possibility. What is little? Okay? With a little planning. Okay? With a little planning, you can achieve your goal. And the fourth one, only dash people attended the party. Only dash people attended the party. Here we get a word that is only. It refers less possibility. It refers less possibility. Okay? People is a noun and countable noun. Countable less. Countable less in the sense countable less few. Okay? So only few people attended the party. Then the fifth one, dash of our problems are of our own making. Okay? So dash of our problems are of our own making. This is a more possibility sentence. Problems is a countable one and more possibility. Then countable more possibility it is to be much of our problems are of our own making. Then sixth one, dash hard work and dash of luck go together in making success of any venture. Dash hard work and dash of luck go together in making success of any venture. Here hard work is a noun and luck is another noun. Hard work is a more possibility uncountable noun, and luck is also less possibility uncountable noun. Okay, more possibility uncountable noun. More possibility uncountable noun is much. So much hard work and dash of luck. Much hard work and dash of luck is a less possibility uncountable. Less possibility uncountable is little. So much hard work and a little of hard work. Little of hard work go together in making success of any venture. Okay. I hope this example will be very helpful for you to know about this topic. Now have a quick recap, that is adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Okay. Adjectives used with countable and uncountable nouns. We have to know about articles usage on countable and uncountable adjective. Okay. In that a and the, these three articles used for countable. D is used for both countable and uncountable. Okay. A and am used only for countable. D is used for both countable and uncountable. Then the use of many and much. Many and much. Here the adjectives. Okay. Many is denotes more possibilities, countable noun. Much denotes more possibility and countable noun. Okay. Few, usage of few and little. Few for less possibility countable noun and little for less possibilities uncountable noun. Okay. Are you clear our topic? Are you clear on our topic? Yes. We will see that next class. Okay.